Boys and girls, this is our math lesson for the day, and it is adding within five. So, for this, you might want to get out your two sided counters, your whiteboard, an eraser, and marker so you can write the equations and draw pictures to go with mine. You can use your tens frame, but we'll actually only be working in a five frame today, so you can cover up five from your tens frame. So this one is getting our brains ready. So we have a school bus, and boys and girls, this is our math problem. There are two girls on the school bus, and one boy gets on the school bus. How many kids are on the bus all together? So you can draw a picture. Using your chips, your two sided counters, can you show me two girls on the school bus and one boy on the school bus? Your five frame might look like this. Now we're going to write an equation down at the bottom. So we need to show two girls plus one boy equals the amount of children on the bus all together. This is what your equation would look like on your whiteboard. Can you write 2 plus 1 equals 3? These are our next problems that we are going to do. I would like you to continue to use your two-sided counters and your whiteboard to make these equations. The red school bus. There are two girls on the bus and three boys got on the bus. How many children are there all together? So I would like you to take your counters and I would like you to put three boys into the bus. 1, 2, 3. How many children are there all together? Let's write our equation for it. There are two girls and three boys. How many children are on the bus all together? 5, because we're adding within 5. I would like you to do the blue school bus and the yellow school bus as well. So, boys and girls, for the blue school bus, there are 3 girls on the bus and 2 boys on the bus. How many children are on the bus all together? And for the yellow school bus, there are 4 girls on the school bus and 1 boy on the school bus. How many children are on the bus all together? Show in your 5 frame and on your whiteboard. I'd like you to take a look at this picture, boys and girls. And I would like you to look and find all the different things you can see and the quantities of the things. I'd like you to say it out loud to someone or the picture. Maybe how many horses you see or how many sheep you see. Take a minute and think about the picture. Boys and girls, we're going to write some number sentences, some equations to show some addition within 5. I'm going to share one with you and I'm going to write it to the side. I love the butterflies, but I see they're together in a group. I see there are 4 flying together, but then there's one more on the other side of the barn. So you can write this with me on your whiteboard. Let's write an equation that matches that. 4 plus 1 equals 5. There are 5 butterflies all together. Boys and girls, I'm going to do another one. I see 2 horses. And then I see 3 chickens in the barn. How many are there all together? 2 plus 3 equals 5. I'd like you to see if you can come up with a bunch of different number equations. And I'd like you to stretch your brains, those of you that are really, really working hard in addition. I bet you could come up with some pretty amazing number sentences. And I'd love to see them on your flip grid.